In front of me is Motorola Moto G04, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and get this free app from mad scientist developer, Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music, tap at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent. Click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Set as Live Wallpaper. Now click on Yes. And use this gear at the top right corner to adjust your wallpaper however you wish to. You can tap on one of those presets and to load one, hit Yes, or just adjust all of those options alone. Either way, when you're ready, go back and click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Then decide where you wish to apply it by clicking on one of the available options. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!